Welcome to School of Professional Psychology. I am Dr. Hazik Mahmood, Dean, School of Professional Psychology. We train professionals.
Our vision is to provide students with rigorous clinical trainings, research opportunities, and hands-on experience.
Our mission is to cultivate compassionate and competent professionals who advances in mental health and wellness.
We offer specialized courses in clinical psychology, counseling psychology, and applied psychology.
School of Professional Psychology is offering international certification, workshop opportunities, seminars and webinars for the students.
We offer wide range of psychological services for all age groups.
We are proud on our academic, research and clinical excellence, and we emphasize a lot on our academia-industry linkages.
Students engage in community outreach, providing mental health services to understand communities.
We prioritize diversity, equity and inclusion, preparing students to serve diverse community.
Looking for you to make your future better.
We look forward to see you very soon.